Hello everyone, today I'm excited to talk about something really important for creating children's picture books, taking great photos of your collage illustrations. As many of you know, I'm both a writer and illustrator. I've written 2 picture books and illustrated 3 activity books for kids. So I know how crucial it is to capture your artwork beautifully. When you shoot in RAW, you're capturing all the data from your camera's sensor without any processing. Think of it as a digital negative that has all the details. RAW files are uncompressed, meaning they keep all the detail and quality. This is essential for us illustrators because we want the best possible images for our books. And here is the best part. RAW files allow you to make precise adjustments to color and lighting without losing quality. You can make your illustrations look vibrant and detailed, just like you imagined them. Let me walk you through setting your camera. First, go to the settings menu on your camera. Next, find the image quality options. You'll see choices like JPEG and RAW. Select RAW and press Set. Now you are ready to take photos. Make sure your lighting is good, then start shooting your illustrations. Now, let's talk about why shooting in RAW is so beneficial. There are several key advantages that can really make a difference in your work. First, high detail. RAW files capture all the subtle details in your illustrations. Imagine the texture of leaves or the vibrant colors of a sunset in your picture book. Shooting in RAW ensures that every tiny detail is preserved. Second, dynamic range. This means you get more detail in both the dark and the light areas of your photos, whether it is a shadowy forest or a bright sunny day in your story. RAW helps you capture the full range of tones. And third, non-destructive editing. This is a big one. When you edit RAW files, you can make changes without losing the original quality. You can adjust and readjust as much as you need to, ensuring your final image is just right. These advantages are crucial for us as illustrators because they help us create images that are vibrant, detailed, and true to our artistic vision. Also, I want to tell you about when to use RAW versus JPEG. For print, always use RAW for the highest quality in your picture book. For social media, JPEG is fine because the file sizes are smaller and easier to upload. By shooting in RAW, you ensure your illustrations are the best they can be. This helps you create beautiful, professional-grade picture books that will captivate children. Remember, our goal is to make each page of our picture books a piece of art that kids will love and remember. So, taking a little extra time to shoot in RAW can make a huge difference in the final product. Thank you for listening. I hope this inspires you to use RAW settings for your photos and elevates the quality of your picture books. See you next time.